Hi, I'm Vlad Yeliseyev, and I'm thrilled to be at Dillman's in August this year. We are going to learn how to paint loose watercolors, and we're going to study the light in order to understand how to implement it in our watercolors. We're also going to study my method of watercolor mixing, which found its way into a newly published book, Light and Color in the Watercolor Landscape. This workshop combines various focused lectures with practical exercises. We'll begin with monochromatic study sketches, which will serve as references for our full-color landscape paintings. By following clear, step-by-step process, you'll learn how to paint confidently and spontaneously. I will work individually with each of you, so the material is tailored for your level of experience. Whether you are refining your fundamentals or advancing your skills, you will receive my personal guidance throughout the workshop. My goal with you is to build a solid foundation of knowledge and practical tools that you can continue using long after the workshop ends. You will gain confidence in mixing colors, painting people, cars, trees loosely and painterly with professionalism and ease. I look forward to meeting you all in Dillman's professional environment, sharing with you my 50 years of expertise in watercolors. Until then, goodbye and happy painting.